Okay, so today we are talking about Dollar Tree organizational hacks that will change your life. We all know the Dollar Tree is amazing. Like, don't get me wrong, they definitely have some junk there that we should not be buying, but there are some gems too. I personally have always used the Dollar Tree for like miscellaneous storage items, like to store my Q-tips or my hair ties or like my cotton pads for my face. But there's even more things that like will help you in your organizational journey. I'm really excited to share this with you because like if you're organized, like it just really helps your brain and not have to think about some miscellaneous minutia that doesn't even matter. You know what I mean? You can like actually think about the things that do matter. So jumping right into it, here we have a DIY Lazy Susan, which I'm kind of like, why is, you know, I don't know why Susan's got to be lazy. So this is also great for like kitchen, bathroom, any type of shelf. But it's simple. Like all you do is you just need two pans, two of the metal pans from the Dollar Tree. They have to be round so that they can like stack inside of each other. And some marbles and Lazy Susan, there you go. So the next one is a closet hanger. I can't believe how simple this was. I'm always trying to maximize my space, and I didn't have anything on the back of my bathroom door, so I did want to hang something on there, but I was like, man, I actually need more hooks. So instead, what I did is I got two of these closet hangers from the Dollar Tree in the closet section, like in the laundry area, and then also a package of zip ties. And super simple. You take one of the closet hangers and you flatten out the hook on both sides, and then you just attach it to the other closet hanger that you didn't alter with zip ties, and there you go. Now you got two hooks instead of one, and it only costs you $3. The next one is actually my favorite. It's like every time I walk into my room, I feel like I'm looking at a Pinterest closet. It's great. So what I did is I took these baskets that I found, these like plastic baskets. I just took a screw and put it through the basket and then drilled it into the wall. And voila, now you got a hanging basket. I did try this before with different types of baskets. Like the Dollar Tree also has like the wire mesh baskets. But I found that those, it's not that they weren't sturdy enough, they just didn't look great. Yeah, and then this last one, this is just like an aesthetic thing that I was into. I don't know if you've seen in any of our last videos, but if you have, you would know that I am a hardcore tea drinker. Like, love my tea. I like the variety, and I always have like tons of tea on hand. So instead of just like piling up in my cupboard and taking up like valuable real estate, I actually just got these like these candle votives. They came in two different sizes, and I got the bigger size. But I just got 6 of them and stacked them on top of each other, and there you go. Something nice, aesthetic way to present your tea. But yeah, okay, so those are the hacks that have transformed my life thus far. I'll definitely let you know if I find any more. Definitely let me know if you know any more, because I'm still not 100% organized. Thanks for watching. Sub if you want to, hit that like if you want to, and we'll see you next time. Bye.